Well, that was a good little sandwich stop.
It was, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Aye. Have a look at your chiggy. Aye, see.
Chiggy!
Oh, see. And again, we're slowing down. Hello. Double melt.
All this is slowing down because there's a right hand turn. They should just keep going.
I know.
I feel a bit better now after that.
Mm-hmm. It filled a hole. These sandwiches were lovely.
They were, eh?
You need to thank your good lady for that.
I will do.
And that sugar-free iron brew was no bad as well, actually.
I've got 2 donuts for later.
Mm-hmm. We are a pair of donuts. Mega melt. That's a cracking view, eh? Have a look at that.
I know, nice. Weeping over the other side of that.
Mm-hmm. Lovely. Yep.
Think.
Lovely. Yes, we have. We've been right round it. Have I ever mentioned how much I love this bike?
No.
Really comfy like it.
This is comfy, but every so often you just need to have a stop, eh?
Oh aye, it's like that on any bike. And the Honda, that's just perfect for work. 65.5 mile to the gallon is what I've been averaging over the last couple of weeks with the Honda.
I don't know what I'm averaging with this.
With this, I am currently averaging, hello, 69.5.
Actually, this is not telling me.
I'm getting 69.5.
I don't know why this is not telling us.
Yeah, probably will. You've just not found the setting for it yet.
But I've got a bit of a bike. Tell you what, the weather's turned to be great, isn't it?
Weather's beautiful. It's always nice up the Trossachs.
So boys and their scooters.
Hello, scooters.
But no social bikers with them.
No, they stick to their own, eh?
Right now it's down to Quadriphenia.
The A83 is open. Surfacing works. It's nice. Gated property. So this is us dropping into Tarbert. We've been here a few times.
Nice hotel on the right here.
We're going to go straight ahead.
Tarbet Hotel.
It's lovely, eh?
Yep. Look at the view from the back of your house, eh?
I know, eh? Nice wee church there. Hello, church.
No, it's actually a cafe.
Is it a cafe now?
Yeah. It's actually quite nice as well.
Yes, we need to stop using cafes, Alex. Because they're ripping the hole out their prices.
They are actually. Especially when you're out here in the middle of nowhere.
Aye. So that when Willie and I were over in Europe, cafes and that were cheap. No.
But much now, you know, Emma, on her bike. What's his name again?
Sean and Emily.
Sean and Emily, that's it. Some of the places they've been in, like in Poland and Turkey, are damn cheap for food.
Aye. And you come to the UK and you get your pants pulled down. Roadworks TTLs, and the view just opens up when we get past these TTLs.
Oh, it's lovely.
No feet down by me. That's because you're in too much a hurry to stop. Look at that, eh?
Gorgeous, eh?
Beautiful. Beautiful. I really want to move away from the central
There's a
belt.
cracking chippy in there, by the way.
You say that every time we pass.
It's always shut.
And you used to stop at it on the way back from Campbelltown.
Oh, Tighnabruaich.
Or Tighnabruaich. Aye, I want to move away from the central belt. I hate it. You can't even paint the lines properly. Like, was the guy pissed when he done that?
What's that?
The double yellow lines.
No way.
They must have been pissed. Smell that catalytic converter.
Stinking, eh?
You're a pervert. It's cracking, that view. I think I need to engage the sun visor. Sun visor engaged.
Your glasses no go dark, eh?
Aye. My reactor lights or whatever they're called.
Beautiful, eh?
Really nice.
Bit dark with the visor, isn't it?
Aye, it's just nice, huh? My visor's still down. You like it?
The road's quiet now, isn't it?
Aye. Aye, because all the idiots are at Loch Lomond, eh?
The trees here, eh?
I know. I like trees.
This is actually quite a nice one, right to the break.
Yeah. I've never been to Tighnabruaich. I don't think I've ever been to Tighnabruaich, no.
You could get the wee ferry across to Rossi, get around Rossi and get the ferry to Rossi here.
Aye. Ferry.
He's not hanging about, is he?
That's a hell. It's a bit far over as well, eh? It was quite close to you.
Right.
That's a cracking view, eh?
Right. That road down there is the old Bellish Road.
That's right, yeah. I'm sure I've seen a programme, I've seen a programme, a documentary on YouTube about that.
When they shut this road, they open that one. It's a surprise traffic lights again.
Can't say I'm surprised.
The amount of landslides you had on this road was horrendous.
Yeah. And I'll blame the global warming on that.
No, it was just the fucking rain. If it rained heavy, it just fucking slipped in the hill. Wait till you see this bit up here.
My big steel nets to catch it.
Usually when I come down this way, there's a You call it burger van sits up here in the car park.
Yeah.
Oh, his stuff is absolutely beautiful. Look at that, that's all been dug away.
Yeah.
That was like out to the edge of the road.
Wee waterfall. Hello,
Done a good
waterfall.
job, though, isn't it?
Huh?
This is a wee change, eh?
Aye. Aye, it certainly is.
It's 24 degrees up here.
I'm saying
There,
22.
there you go. There's there, look.
Aye. Well, we've already eaten. Just a wee baby loch. What's this walloper breaking for?
There's a whopper.
Lovely.
This is nice, eh? We can see the view from the top of Tighnabruaich looking down there.
Yeah.
Tighnabruaich's right on the coast, but there's a view at the top you can actually stop. Absolutely amazing.
Oh, is this a breakdown?
Can't get broken down.
You type Mark 1.
It's a V12, isn't that?
Oh, Mark 1. And why is that bell end in that Vauxhall so close to the camper van? You can't see nothing. That's how close he is. If that camper van was to break suddenly, that Vauxhall would end up in his kitchen.
You would do.
Fucking tit. So you think your seat's too soft?
Yep.
So what you're trying to say is you would like something firmer against your bum.
Yes.
See, I would really worry me.
Look at that.
Beautiful. Aye. Find somewhere that we can. Aye, find somewhere where we can get a park up nicely against it.
Well, we turn right up here, and we'll stop.
Right.
We're going along the coast. Look at that.
Beautiful, eh?
Ah, stunning, man. Touch here. No, it's gravel. I'm not going in there. Fuck that. We've got bad experiences with gravel.
Let's see if there's somewhere further up. There's boats in that way. There's a wee marina there. We'll maybe pull in there and get some
Aye.
pictures. Beautiful.
Tighnabruaich.
In the wrong gear. Too high a gear.
I was in too high a gear as well.
The Gaelic signs put you off.
Nah, I knew where I was going. Look at these, it's lovely, eh?
Beautiful, eh?
Absolutely. See when you stop up here? Next one, Sean. There we go. Ugh. Fucking dinner, like.
It's lovely, eh?
Absolutely.
Absolutely cracking. Oh, a wee stretcher.
Aye.